To embed fonts in PowerPoint 2025, start by opening your presentation and selecting the text you want to modify. Next, go to the Home tab and click on the Font Group dialog launcher, which is the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group. In the Font dialog box, select the font you want to embed and click on the Embed Fonts tab. In the Embed Fonts tab, you will see two options: Embed all characters and Embed characters in use only. Embed all characters will embed the entire font, while Embed characters in use only will only embed the characters used in your presentation. Select the option that best suits your needs. Once you have selected the embedding option, click OK to apply the changes. The font will now be embedded in your presentation. You can verify this by going to the File tab and selecting Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, click on Save and select the Embed Fonts in the File checkbox. It is essential to note that embedding fonts can increase the file size of your presentation. Therefore, it is recommended to only embed fonts that are necessary for your presentation. Additionally, be aware that some fonts may have licensing restrictions that prevent them from being embedded. To avoid any potential issues, it is best to use standard fonts that are widely available, such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. If you must use a custom font, make sure to check the font's licensing agreement to ensure you have the right to embed it. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully embed fonts in PowerPoint 2025 and ensure that your presentation looks professional and consistent, even when shared with others.